Now it's time to welcome the 20 campers who did not make it to the finals.
Hey, guys! Woohoo! Good to see ya!
Would everyone who's walked the dock of shame and left camp on the boat of losers kindly take a seat in the peanut gallery of failure? The side you choose should represent who you would like to cheer on to victory in today's final competition.
Nice rug.
Oh, bite me. Stop touching my hair, crazy girl.
I think mine still has a claw.
Please note, no animals were harmed in the making of this television program. Okay, we good?
There. Got it.
Chef, the tools for the first Stone Age challenge, please!
I am not great with heights, or falling from them, which I think is reasonable. I'm just really glad Carrie was there to see me through it. Shelly? Pff, she would have totally bailed.
Hey, what's that?
What's what?
Oh, guess it was nothing.
I'll take my harmonica. Ooh, bongos! Shakers for me! And I'll take the xylophone. You pick one too, Chipper. A horn! I love horns!
Wait, if we're gonna learn this in time, then you gotta take this seriously.
What?
Put on the shirt.
Fine. Play the record.
So, you want to become a musician? Bravo! Now, what is the first thing all good musicians require?
Talent?
Yes! Good personal hygiene is the key to becoming a successful gentleman musician.
This is gonna take like 10 years.
Yeah, and there's still 2 more after this one.
There's gotta be a faster way.
All 3 at once?
Just locate your... Remember that no begins with a 1, 2, 3, A minor 7. An octave harmonic can be tapped.
Dude, this isn't working! I can't understand anything!
Dude, we gotta keep going. Do you want to look like an idiot at the open mic? What was that?
Now, as I understand it, you 3 girls will be leaving us soon.
Yep, with the box charged, we'll be heading to Newtopia tomorrow for the king to send us home. Everyone, you've all done so much for me, and I'll miss you more than you could ever know.
Ah, shucks.
Hey, before I go, can we take a group photo?
Heck yeah! Everybody line up!
Sprig, come on! Hurry, hurry!
I'm sorry I left you. Aw.
Jesse, I tried to do it the easy way, but you made it hard. If you let the Nulls take advantage of you, they will. You'll thank me for this later.
How nice to see you again, Sliver.
I don't know where we can hide!
I got you. We're getting out of here.
Jesse, your number!
We're going home. We're free!
What? Jesse! No, 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 no! Oh.
Ow! What are these ropes made of? Steel wool. Strong and rough. Just like the Big Apple. Ow! 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 Why don't I go first and make sure it's safe for you ladies?
I know exactly how we should climb.
You're not gonna suggest we belay again, are you? Because that worked so well in Egypt.
But no, I Never mind.
I think Sierra should decide.
OMG! I thought I knew everything about everyone on this show. You're really nice, Heather. Of course, I know Heather's playing me. I've seen every episode like 15 times. Hello! I'm playing Heather.
No way am I losing this challenge!
After you, I insist. Best view in New York City. Hazel, wait! Stop! Aren't we putting things away?
Yes, but we have to put them away in the right places. If the waste isn't sorted, it can't be recycled. And then it has to be thrown into the garbage. We should probably start over.
There's no marriage certificate, no rings, no paparazzi photos.
No, that's true. That's true.
Seriously, you are about as married as Alejandro and I are.
Mi Angel. I know you crave Alejandro like a baked chicken craves mole sauce, but marriage? Aren't you rushing things?
Ew, 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 ick, ick, ick.
Your mouth says ick, but your eyes say something else.
They say, barf.
I know they're married only in Sierra's fantasy, but she needs me to say I witnessed it, and therefore, she stays on our side.
There is no our side. If I can get Sierra off this show, I win Cody's loyalty and leave Alejandro with only Duncan. You and I have a similar problem.
Really? Which escaped mental patient are you married to?
All I mean is that sometimes when you're too nice to somebody, they get the wrong idea. Happens to me all the time.
Not like this. She's making baby name lists. I don't want kids. She can't make me have kids, right?
Just tell her that you will never, ever be a thing. Ultimately, it's going to be doing her a favor.
We did it, Titans! There's just one more order of business. Hey, we demand our participation medals.
Hands them over, fool!
That's a wiggity-whack idea, fellas. Haven't you learned anything?
Man, we spent all day proving we learned things.
Whatever you say.
Finally, we shall have the modicum of the self-worth.
All right!
Well, I guess I'll be going.
That sounds pretty good to me.
You enjoy yourself. Even though I'd be a great sixth Titan to have around for a while. Right on. I could join the team, by the way. I have no plans.
Shh, shush your mush. I just had an idea. Bumblebee, how would you like to be the sixth Titan?
Really? Of course I will!
Yeah! You know what that means!
New title sequence, baby! And Bumblebee!
And Bumblebee!
And Bumblebee!